Hello and welcome to another update video about Travala. I made you aware yesterday that we were due for a breakout, or at least a further move to the upside, and that happened. Yesterday my video was just below $3. We talked about the key $3 level. We broke through it. We made an impressive move yesterday here all the way up to 360. And that was like 30% gain in just a few minutes, because that was only a 5-minute candle. That happens from now and then with Travala, bit of pump and dump. But I talked about this cup and the handle forming, and we're now at another key breakout point, $3.10. That is really the key breakout point we need to get above. And you saw attempts to get through, but they failed all the time here. And Travala hasn't really performed that well this year overall because of, I guess, the travel industry. It really relies on the travel industry and of the Travala website growing and people really taking on these offers. But they are partnering with Binance. I think they partner with Expedia as well. So they've got really good partners. I think it's here to stay. And I own AVA as well. But yeah, we are at this key $3.10 level now that I wanted to make you aware about. My AVA coins, I've actually set a limit so that I am going to sell at 330. I put that in because if something like that happens again and it drops, hopefully that order will be triggered, and I'm just going to try it. I don't know if it works, but I have hope that if we get these huge spikes that sometimes only last a few minutes, or that might just be a 30-minute candle, that this then triggers a sell order. I can take some profits and buy in lower again. Not sure if that's going to happen, but yeah, we've got an ascending triangle. We also have a cup and handle, and I think it has opportunities to grow further quickly, very quickly. You would need to be quick. Again, no financial advice, but if it breaks above 310, there are many fake outs here, so it's something to be aware of. That's why I'm in there for the long run as well. But I try to get some benefit of these huge spikes as well. I haven't tried it before. Let's see if the order will be triggered. I'm certainly going to make you aware of it. But yeah, I think this has further opportunity to grow. It looks like we found a low here, a bottom at around 265. So since then we've actually growing. First make higher lows here, first more slowly, but then the trend and the momentum has picked up as soon as we got above the 50 line of the RSI here on the 4-hour chart, and it's looking good. We are bullish in my view, and we're getting closer to that breakout point at $3.10. So far here on the daily, let me just go, before we finish the video, let me go onto the daily chart. Here we can see that we're actually now finally above the 20-day moving average, which is now providing support. We've been there now for the last few days. That makes me more bullish now again. Still below the 50 and still below the 200, and that probably also kept us down, but now we're finally above the 20 again. So that gives me hope, and we are moving closer to the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. That'll be quite a bit of a barrier to get through, but if we manage to do that, these are the next key levels that I'm going to watch. At around 325 is the 50-day moving average, and 330 is 200. And yeah, I think then we can get to levels of around 360 again. And Travala is quite volatile, so it can move fairly quickly. I mean, this year we were already here at nearly 550. So yeah, it certainly has a potential to go up much higher. But for me, that's more of a long-term token or coin, because as soon as we get out of the travel holiday issues with what's going on in the world, more people are going to travel again, and increasing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency adoption, I think more people will think about paying for their holidays with cryptocurrency. So that's certainly interesting, and something to keep in mind. Is quite a unique use case. So I'm quite bullish on AVA. Just want to update you that we're getting closer to the next breakout point. Hopefully you liked the video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe button, and let me know if you own any AVA or if you like AVA. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.